Alright guys, so let's get started on this fresh summer look. I have very minimal products in front of me because I wanted to keep this fresh, simple, quick, easy for summer. I wanted it all to be about fresh skin, so let's get started on this look. So first things first, my skin has already got skincare on it, it's got sunscreen on it. We're going to prep it next, and I am using one of my favorite skincare primers. So this is the Ren Pure Canvas Primer. It's a silicone-free skin finishing serum. I love this guy for clients who are older, have texture to their skin, have fine line and wrinkles, because this honestly is such a great gripping, smoothing, all-in-one primer. Plus it's got skincare benefits to it. If you're someone who is skincare ingredient conscious, and you're gonna love Ren because they are a clean brand. They're fragrance free, silicone free, paraben free. I just love their stuff. So let's move on to our base for today. And for the base today, we are using this guy here. So this is the NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. It's got SPF 30. You guys might recognize this bottle over this one just because I have it in a shade that's way too dark for me. This is Polynesia, but I use this in my tutorials to create a nice bronzy, glowy, radiant summer glow to my looks. So I'm actually using it in the proper shade for my complexion today. So what I'm gonna do is take a little bit on the back of my hand, and we are gonna start blending that out. So I'm gonna take one of my kabuki / buffing brushes to do this, and I just want the most coverage without having to use a ton of product. This has a pretty decent amount of coverage for a tinted moisturizer, but I don't want it to be super cakey and heavy feeling. So you can see that there is coverage. It evened out my skin tone. It gave me a little bit of radiance and color. But what I love the most is just that natural shine that the skin has when you're applying this product. Plus the fact that it's got 30 SPF, it just kind of eases your mind. I like to spend a ton of time by the pool, outside, especially during the summer, so you just feel at ease knowing that there is something covering and protecting your. So next I'm gonna take that same product, but up a few shades in the shade Polynesia to just bronze up and give me a little bit of a tan. I love this product because number one, it is just so lightweight and so easy to layer, which you will see here. Look at just the products layered together. It already brought forth so much dimension, so much color. I love that. I'm just gonna take a beauty blender, and we are just going to push both of these colors together just to soften things up, even things out. Yes, I love this, love it. So we're gonna use some concealer now. For concealer, I love this guy right here. This is the Armani Luminous Silk Concealer. I love this for every day. It is perfect. The shade I use it in is 4.5. So we're gonna take this in the areas where I feel like I would like a little more coverage, which for me is just my T-zone usually, and anywhere that I have blemishes or dark spots. Ooh, just look at that. That is glowy skin. I love it. All right, and so for a little bit of a glow moment, we are using this guy, which is so stunning. This is the Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. If you guys haven't used this yet, oh my gosh, you need to go over and use it. I'm gonna put this on the high points of my skin because you guys will see with this lighting what it will do to my face. Holy moly. So just gonna warm this up with my fingers, apply it in the shape of a C. And it's just such a natural radiance to the skin. And so lastly, for complexion, we are taking this guy. This is the Ciate Miss Piggy Cream Blush Palette. So pretty. Look at all these colors. We're gonna use a mix of this one and this one today. And I wanna apply this with the Beauty Blender so that we can just continue to work things in and have them smoothly apply. There is tremendous pigment to this, so be careful. That's really why I like to use a Beauty Blender, because it helps diffuse the pigment a little bit. Plus it's, you know, a sponge, it's bouncy. I feel like that works with cream products really well. So for everyday fresh looks, I know that you guys have seen a few of my tutorials. I just like to do brows and lashes. So for brows today, we are using the Anastasia Brow Freeze. And I'm gonna fill them in a little bit with my Anastasia brow pen. So give me a moment and I will be back with you guys with brows done. All right guys, so I already did my brows. I already put my mascara on. let's do a little bit of lip, and I just want to keep it super fresh and super natural for summer. So I'm just gonna do something that's very similar to my lip color, my lip tone, just to keep it, I don't know, soft, quick, easy. So I'm gonna use this NYX lip liner in the shade Sandstorm. I don't know why I just acted like I don't know what this is called, as if I don't use it every day. I'm gonna line and fill my lips in a little bit with this. How do you guys hold your lip liner? And this is so weird to me. I don't know why, but I kind of hold it at the side so I'm not wasting the tip. And so I have this Bobbi Brown crushed oil infused gloss in Free Spirit, which is honestly like a great everyday shade, and it's so hydrating and so good. This is the final fresh faced summer ready look. Look at our radiance, look at the complexion. Everything just looks so dewy and fresh. If you wanted, you could totally stop for a minute and set everything with powder and just kind of absorb a little bit of the shine and the glow, but I'm really living for this right now. Like, I love this. This is, again, just a very fresh looking face. It's meant to be glowy, it's meant to be radiant. It's absolutely not for my oily face girls. You could totally matte it down if you wanted to, because you're gonna get your natural shine. But for those of us that are drier, maybe a little older, and you just want radiance and glow at all times, this is absolutely the tutorial for you. So I hope that you guys like this fresh face summer look. If you did, comment down below, share it with your friends, leave me a thumbs up, heart. I love you guys. God bless you guys, and I will see you guys next time.